The next terms comes as the bilateral and unilateral elements. First of all, we will consider the bilateral element. In bilateral element, the conduction of the current in both directions in those elements are with the same magnitude. These are called the bilateral elements. That means it allows the flow of current in both the directions. Remember one thing, in bilateral circuit, the property of the circuit does not change with the change in direction of the supply voltage or current. The example of the bilateral elements are resistors, inductors, capacitors. Let's take an example. Suppose we have a resistor of resistance R and the polarity across the resistance are as shown. So a current will flow through the resistor and it will be I. If the voltage across the resistor is considered as V, then the value of the current will be equal to V upon R. Now take the second example. The same resistor, but in this case the polarity across the resistors are changed. Again the voltage across the resistor is V. So in this case we will see that the current will flow from right to left. And if we apply the Ohm's law, again the value of the current will be V upon R. That means in case of resistors, if the polarity across the resistors are changed, the direction of the current will be changed, but its magnitude will be same. This type of elements are called the bilateral elements. On the other hand, if we consider the unilateral element, so the unilateral elements are the elements where the conduction of the current is in one direction only. That means the property of the circuit will be changed if we change the polarity of the supply voltage. The example of the unilateral elements are again diode, transistor, etc. Now take the example of the diode. In case of forward biased condition, the polarity of the diode should be as shown here. So the current will flow from positive to negative terminals. And for reverse biased condition, the polarity of the diode will be changed. So in this case, the current will flow in the opposite direction. Now, if you draw the V versus I characteristics here, as we have already seen in the previous case. So when the polarity of the diode is as per the forward biased condition, then the current direction and the magnitude will be in the first quadrant and it will follow the exponential increase. Whereas the diodes are connected in reverse biased, then the polarity, the direction of the current and the polarity will be changed and it will be in the third quadrant. So in this case, the direction as well as the magnitude of the current will be changed with the change in polarity across the diode. So this is called the unilateral elements. The circuit which is made by the bilateral elements are called the bilateral circuits, and the circuits which are made by the unilateral elements are called the unilateral circuits.